welcome back to YouTube. This is my March special video for St. Patrick's Day. Otherwise, I wouldn't be wearing this green hat. I wasn't actually planning on wearing it in this video if it weren't to be today, but I'm wearing it because if I don't wear green, then I get pinched. So anyway. Here's my brother Alfie. He might be actually coming a bit throughout the video. He could be retrieving the plane. But okay, so my second video might come out, I'm not sure. But it might, or if it did come out already when you're watching this, great. So anyway, in this video I'm going to teach you how to fly a stupid plane. So anyway, my battery's low, so I need to hurry. So here we go.
But not that low.
Yeah, not actually that low, but it just went down. Okay, that wasn't actually. I'll get it. That's good. Toss it to me. Wait, that's a better idea. Okay. I'll make the camera follow the plane, okay?
Okay.
Make it follow the plane.
Here we have another one. Landed all the way up there.
That. So anyway, see you in the next part of the video.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so this is the part where I'm going to be showing you how to make it. So just really quickly, I'm going to unfold and you'll see how to make it. Anyway. So here is step 1. What was step 1? Okay, so you fold it in half precisely. You fold it in half, then you unfold. Then to store, you fold down the front corner of that into the thing. So now you have something a bit like this. Then you're going to fold it in half once again, so it's like this. Fold down the wings. Open this. This is just to get it to fly extra far, and voila! We have a paper plane. Okay, in the next video.